Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients for authentic Buldak. 2 packs of chewy instant noodles or 200 grams fresh wheat noodles, 250 grams boneless chicken thighs cut into 2 centimeter cubes, 1 small onion sliced thin, 2 scallions chopped, 3 cloves garlic minced, and 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil. For the sauce, whisk together 2 tablespoons gochujang, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon gochugaru, and 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon neutral oil. Sear the 250 grams of cubed chicken in a single layer until edges are golden, about 5 to 6 minutes. Then add the sliced onion and minced garlic and cook 1 to 2 minutes more. Meanwhile, boil the noodles for 3 minutes if using instant, drain them, and reserve 50 milliliters of the cooking water. Add the mixed sauce to the pan. Pour in 50 milliliters reserved water, and simmer the chicken and sauce for 2 to 3 minutes so it thickens and coats the meat. Finish by adding the drained noodles directly to the skillet and toss vigorously so every strand is coated in the glossy Buldak sauce. Cook together 30 to 60 seconds so flavors marry. Plate portions and garnish each serving with 1 sliced scallion, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds, half a sheet of shredded roasted seaweed, and an optional drizzle of toasted sesame oil. For balance, serve with cold pickled radish or a cucumber salad. The vinegar cuts heat. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge up to 2 days, and reheat briefly on a skillet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.